You know, one thing that we've talked about a lot over the last number of years is the way we sell the car and the price that we charge the consumer. So tell us a little bit about that, Bret.
Well, that's something that Karl has been very strong about from the very beginning, and that's taking care of our customers the same way we're going to want them continuing doing business with us. So up front, MSRP on a new vehicle, he will not charge you over that. And there's a lot of dealers in this, 2.5 years, however long it's been, have marked these vehicles up anywhere from $5,000 to, on some vehicles, maybe even $20,000. And we're talking the way we handle it here, even a new Corvette, which is a vehicle that could definitely bring over MSRP, and he won't do it.
You know, one more thing when we talk about being your dealer for life, that's truly what this means, right? Is we want those customers to come back to us. You know, we're not going to take advantage because we're in a tough situation. We want those customers to come back to us year after year for their service needs, for their, their next vehicle, and make sure that we take care of them today so that we have a customer for life.